Hi, my name is Richard Price from Digital 360, and this is a quick video on how to use contacts, which is the address book for your Zoho Mail. So I've logged into my Zoho Mail interface, and I've gone down to Contacts tab, which is usually on the left-hand side. Now you will see here that I have all my contacts numbers 1252, and then I've actually got categories. All of these are part of this number, but I have split them out and give them several different categories. You can also have people that are member of several different categories. For those that are used to Outlook, these are equivalent to distribution lists or groups. The other thing that you can do is you can also share some of your contacts with other people in your organization, the Zoho organization, I mean. So that is quite a neat feature. And the other one at the bottom is just some quick views that you can use. One of which is actually quite useful, and that is my organization's contacts. So that's users of Zoho within your organization. Okay, so let's have a look. Start off with adding a contact. Adding a contact can be done in two ways. Number one, you can set your mail that whenever a new contact email comes through, it adds it automatically to your contacts. That is quite a neat feature. It saves you having to add a new one. But say you've never received an email from that, the person that you're wanting to send an email to, and they're not in the contacts. So what you can do is just go add new. So I'm just going to go Bob test, and then I'm just going to put their email address in here, email.com. Can put their phone numbers and all that sort of stuff, and then I'm just going to click save. So now it's in the system. So if I have a look, sorry, it's actually just on the bottom of that list. You will see Bob test there. So I can highlight it and you can see it there. I can edit it. I can even invite them to become a Zoho user, etc. So V-cards, those sort of things. I can also click on here or up here, and it will initiate a new blank email for you to send it out. So that's what you can do there. But further to this, I'm actually just going to do a search. So I'm just going to do Bob test, and what it will do is it will search and give me the result here, Bob test. Okay, so I click on that and I can see all the different things. I can now add them to a category. So just select them, go add to, and add them to a category. Okay, and in fact I can add them to another category. So those are the kind of things that you can do. The reason for putting them in categories also helps you when you create a new email. Because what you can do is click on this little icon, go to categories, and I can go click on this, and I can actually either select all of them or I can select just a couple from that that category or distribution list if you want. And you can go insert and it will insert it there. The other thing is, of course, is that if I go Bob test, I only have to type Bob and there it is, and off I go and I can send it. So those are a few of the things that you can do in Zoho contacts for Zoho Mail. Just briefly, just to let you know that there is an import and an export function. Importing, of course, you can do it by CSV, so you can just export your contacts out of Outlook just by exporting to file and then selecting CSV. Then when you get that, that file onto your computer, you just simply go here, select where that file is on your computer, and then go import. If you want to export them, you can just simply go and you can export by category. So you just right mouse click and go export, and it asks you what format, and you can do it that way. So that's another way of doing it. So yeah, there are a lot of different ways of doing and dealing with your contacts in this system. If you've got any further questions, feel free to contact me, Richard at digital360.co.nz. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.